And the federal judge was really sympathetic when he made his ruling, but said that nothing that the staff did or did not do met the legal standard that was needed in order to bring a federal civil case.
The Richmond School Board no longer is entangled in a legal case that resulted from the deadly shooting that happened outside the 2023 Huguenot High School graduation ceremony at the Altria Theater. A federal judge dismissed the case brought by Tamika Jackson, whose son, Sean Jackson, and husband, Renzo Smith, were killed in the shootout. She filed the $26 million suit because she believed the school didn't do enough to protect Jackson from known threats. The judge stated in his ruling that schools usually aren't legally responsible for protecting students from harm by others, unless they take someone into custody or do something that directly puts the person in more danger under current U.S. law. In this case, the judge wrote that neither of those exceptions applied. He wrote that the school didn't have legal custody of the student, and while the staff may have known about the threats, they didn't take any direct action that made things worse. The judge said that Counselor Monique Harris didn't take any active steps that increased the risk to the student. He wrote that, at most, it may have been irresponsible and ineffective in not heeding warnings, that the victim was helpless at the hands of bullies, but that is not enough under the law to hold someone constitutionally liable. A spokesperson for the school board issued a statement about the court's decision, saying this ruling means it cannot be refiled again, and the court dismissed claims against Superintendent Cameras and several Huguenot High School staff members. They added, quote, "We want to again express our profound sympathy to the family members who experienced the loss of two loved ones that day. Our thoughts and prayers continue to be with them and all who were impacted by this terrible tragedy. We sincerely hope they find comfort and peace in the days to come." CBS 6 reached out to Jackson and her lawyer for comment on the decision and have not heard back. She spoke to our Tyler Lane last year, sharing she still had questions about the safety protocol that day.
I would have never ever brought my son here if I didn't feel like his life was in danger. I asked before we even got here, is it okay? And I was reassured, once again, everything is fine.
Amari Pollard is currently serving time after pleading guilty to first-degree murder in the shooting.
And again, this ruling states that these federal charges cannot be brought again. The state charges, however, could be brought at the state level if the Jackson family chooses. Live here in Richmond, I'm Maggie Marshall, CBS 6 News.